Hey guys, it's already nighttime, pretty much. So here picking up a trailer right now. You want me to go reverse?
No, you're blessed. I need the key.
For what?
For the ball.
All right guys, so we're going to go pick up another part out today, or a flip, depends when we go see it. It was posted on Facebook Marketplace. It only had 190,000 kilometers on it, and only one picture to show. But it's a 2002 Acura EL, and right now we're at U-Haul, as you can see right there in the corner. We're picking up a trailer, so we can go pick that thing up right now. It's 7 o'clock at night, and we're about to go head about 25 minutes away, go pick up that, drop it off at the shop, then go home, come back the next day, take that EK I had, and drop that off at the scrapyard. So, backing up. All right, guys. So we got the thing hooked up in the back, but one of the trailer tires blew. So we're just kind of riding it out. I don't know. Here, I'll try and show you guys. All right, so we made it back to the shop. Here it is. Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro.
That's definitely look like we drove on that. Hold on, let me show you guys light. I didn't even do that. But look at the lip there. Oh, that's warm. That's warm.
That's this, rubbing on it the whole time. It's probably squished. Yeah, it's right here, look.
Yeah.
You can smell rubber too, eh?
Look at that. It's like opening there. Well, that made it. Car made it. We got insurance on the dolly, so it's okay. This thing, all right, so the guy said it doesn't drive because the transmission's blown, but we drove it on the we drove it on the trailer, so I don't know what this guy's on about. And he tried to hassle us, bro. He tried to not give us the car at this point. I don't know, I'll do a whole story time after, but we're about to unload this. It's freezing, it's 9:30. So.
First startup, bro. That's a Honda. No. It's gotta be higher.
Fire.
No. Like, 2 foot and a half higher.
What? Why?
Guys, the cops are here. What the? What the heck? He wouldn't tell you guys?
No. I was like, is it someone stealing more tax? They like to do that here. He's like, I don't know, just a complaint. I was like, oh, yo, it's probably the spray paint. That truck got spray painted.
Yeah.
And then he kind of looked up, but
Yeah.
then didn't say anything.
Honestly, I think it's like you can't say if it's not
It was probably the spray paint because that just happened. Like I think like at the beginning of the week we drove.
Yeah,
and we were like, yo.
that's so weird because we're in the back and I didn't even expect anyone to come back here, let alone a cop being like, "Oh, I'm just chilling." I'm like, "Oh, yo."
I just like see this cop. I go in. I like find the key. I look forward. I just see the cop. I'm like, no. I was like, what are we doing?
Why, bro? 100% for the trailer. 100%. Investigating.
Investigating.
Or we stole a car.
Yeah.
But also, yo, take it. Why do you come at like 9 p.m. to investigate something? You know, you're not gonna.
I know.
people aren't
That's
gonna be
true.
here.
Bro, we got investigated, bro. We're the ones being investigated.
Uh-oh.
Nah, because then he would have asked for our information.
That's true. Do you guys work here? No, we own it. All right, well, we're trying to load this up right now and then trying to get home because it is late and it's also cold. So yeah, we're gonna load this up. I'll show you guys a quick time lapse unless we drop the car, but here we go. All right, so I guess this is how we're taking this EK. We got it on as much as we could. We're just hanging off a little bit, but that's okay. We're not going very far. Subframe hanging off too. Still got a nice flat tire there. Oh, bruh. Easy. Easy.
Easy, no problem. This guy through.
Just like that, it's not going nowhere. All right, that's it for the EK. Until our next part out, which is just outside. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.